Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a coffee I recently tried. I'm definitely a coffee lover. I like coffee that isn't too sweet but has a lot of flavor. So I wanted to try this out because I had been hearing good things from people. This is 1850, the Folgers Coffee Company Black Gold. It is a fire roasted dark roast coffee. Dark roast is definitely like my favorite kind when it comes to coffee. It just has more flavor, more bolds, and I just feel like it's stronger in general, and I like strong coffee. So this is ground coffee. So this, if you have a Keurig machine, you can't, they do maybe make K-cups, but I just bought the bag to try it out. So you could just put a little bit in like a K-cup, the empty one that you could just fill with ground coffee. So you could use it that way, or you could use it in just like a regular drip coffee maker. Very simple to make, of course, just like any other coffee. This is the 2-ounce size. It's kosher. I suggest getting a larger size, of course, because if you're like me, you'll go through this pretty quickly. I just got this in the mail because I ordered it online like 2 weeks ago. It's best if used by March 2nd, 2019. So, of course, you have some time before it expires. We recommend starting with a clean coffee maker and brewing the entire contents of this package with 48 ounce of fresh cold water. Discover more about 1850 coffee at 1850coffee.com. Embrace the bold. 1850 is crafted for bold pursuits, for you, the modern day trailblazers who dare to discover new territory, mark new milestones, and forever seek the fortune ahead. In 1850, James A. Folgers began blazing our trail during the California gold rush in San Francisco. Forged by time, toil, and relentless commitment to quality, his coffee set bold new standards that fueled the spirit of his era. It's still feeding the trailblazers today. So, Black Gold, strike gold with a bold yet smooth, which it is very smooth, blend of 100% Arabica coffee with sweet dark cocoa notes. The mountain calls, find your fortune. I love the dark cocoa notes, of course, because I love dark chocolate. So it's just nice to have that in the coffee and it's not too overwhelming. So just to give you a little bit more background about 1850 as far as like aroma and taste. The aroma and the taste are both exceptional, and I've been a coffee drinker for quite some time. So the dark color is really nice, gives it a great taste, and I will definitely continue to purchase it. And Folgers, of course, has been around forever. I feel like everyone knows the name. Like, the best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup. So that slogan's been around forever, so many commercials, and I just think that this is the best work that they've done this far. And I believe you could actually make this cold brew too. I don't have a cold brew coffee machine, but either this one or they sell ones that you can make cold brew. So that definitely is an option as well. I love iced coffee, so unfortunately I feel like I can't really make it in my house. You could always brew coffee hot and then put it in the fridge or add ice, but I feel like that makes it almost watered down, so I just drink this hot. But if you want to make it cold, that's an option as well. Just very smooth, rich flavor, very little acidity. This will not disappoint you. The brew is rich, chocolatey, and smooth. I wish that you guys could try it right now. And I also think that the presentation of the package is very pretty and different and almost a little bit unique with like the gold. And it's kind of like old-fashioned looking in a way, so I really like it. I just like my coffee with a little bit of almond milk, and this is perfect with that. I don't put any sugar or creamer in my coffee. I just do a little bit of regular unsweetened almond milk, and I think it's delicious because I like to really taste my coffee rather than have it too sweet, because I just love the flavor in itself. But yeah, it's great because you do have the options of getting this in K-cups or single serve, so it's kind of like, whatever works for you, whatever's best for you. Like I said, I only heard positive things. I haven't heard any negative things really from anybody. I could see someone not liking it if it's too strong for them. I don't know. Yeah, I could. If someone doesn't like strong coffee, I can't see them liking this. And it does have a strong aftertaste as well. So if someone doesn't like that, I could see that. But if you like strong coffee, you like a strong aftertaste, then this is definitely coffee for you. So I would definitely try it out. And like I said, they sell it online, and in stores. This will awaken your taste buds and wake you up if you're feeling a little sluggish to start the day, like I always do, or just throughout the day is always nice. So really nice, and I hope that you guys will try out 1850 Black Gold Coffee, fire roasted dark roast coffee, and I hope you like it. Thanks so much for watching.